Hi there. Check out the KWQKEM Tri-Fold Clothing Rack, a space-saving wall-mounted drying solution. This durable rack holds up to 220 pounds, perfect for heavy laundry loads. Its collapsible and expandable arms let you adjust drying space to fit your needs. Use it for clothes, towels, linens, and more, keeping everything organized and wrinkle-free. The sleek dark gray design adds style to any laundry room or balcony. Easy to install and fold away, it maximizes your space efficiently. Just remember, it's not suitable for hollow or fluffy wall surfaces. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.